Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. This morning, the 12th of January 2021, we're going to cover Cardano, symbol ADA. Cardano has a very special place in my heart because when I started trading cryptocurrencies, the very first one I ever bought was Cardano. I was so enamored with their write-up about what they were using the blockchain to do, and it sounded so sophisticated at the time that I just did not see how Cardano would ever be anything less than a top 10 coin. This is way back when Cardano really was just entering into the top 100, top 50. We're talking back in the days of 2017, 2018, when things would just shoot up and you could really make a lot of money. But at the same time, you were taking an extreme risk because at that time, a lot of people were throwing money at these cryptos without knowing what's underneath. So without further ado, let's take a look at where Cardano stands now. We can see it is the number 7 ranked cryptocurrency in the world, sitting at 28 cents. It's on a tear this week. It's up 31%. It's got a market cap of 8,949,978,000 and a couple of more dollars. If we go in and we take a look at Cardano, they've always had a nice fancy website, which of course is appealing to the senses. But I want to talk a little bit about their how they got this thing written up. Let's take a look at this. Here's our chart real quick. You can see Cardano has been as high as, let's see there, $1.14. That's very far away from where it is now. You know, we're looking at a order of magnitude of 3 times. It's been 3 times as high. If we go and take a look at their website, they keep changing this thing around. They always make it look very sophisticated. But I wanted to talk about, with regards to their website, I wanted to talk about how they have this application built on top of their blockchain. So let's just work our way through this, making the world better for all. Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries, with the tools and technologies required to create possibility for many, as well as the few, and bring about positive global change. Okay, then we go down to our world is changing together, we can change it for the better. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform, the first to be founded on peer-reviewed research and developed through evidence-based methods. It combines pioneering technologies to provide unparalleled security and sustainability to decentralized applications, systems, and societies. With a leading team of engineers, Cardano exists to redistribute power from the unaccountable structures to the margins, to individuals, and be an enabling force for positive change and progress. Okay, and then when we come down here, they try to go into proof of stake and Ouroboros, the most environmentally sustainable blockchain protocol. Ouroboros is the first peer-reviewed, verifiably secure blockchain protocol, and Cardano is the first blockchain to implement it. Ouroboros enables the Cardano network decentralization and allows it to sustainably scale to global requirements without crucially compromising security. The protocol is the culmination of tireless effort, building on foundational research, and is propelled by a vision of more secure and transparent global payment systems and a means to redistribute more fairly power and control. So the thing is, when you read through this, it's very high level and sounds like fluff uh, if you don't know what they're talking about. And then they start talking about discovering Cardano. The best place, in my opinion, to go in their website and really understand what this blockchain is capable of is to go under the develop tab and look at how they describe the Cardano blockchain there. It says Cardano is a decentralized third generation proof of stake blockchain platform and home to the ADA cryptocurrency. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. It is the first blockchain platform to evolve out of a scientific philosophy and research first driven approach. The Cardano platform has been designed from the ground up and verified by industry leading combination of top engineers and academic experts in the fields of blockchain and cryptography. It has a strong focus on sustainability, scalability, and transparency. It is a fully open source project that aims to deliver an inclusive, fair, and resilient infrastructure for financial and social applications on a global scale. One of its primary goals is to bring reliable, secure financial services to those people who do not currently have access. Cardano has been designed with security as one of its founding principles. It is written in Haskell, a functional programming language. In a functional language like Haskell, building your system using pure functions is encouraged, which leads to a design where components are conveniently testable in isolation. Furthermore, advanced features of Haskell enable us to employ a whole range of powerful methods for ensuring correctness of the code, such as basing the implementation on formal and executable specifications, extensive property-based testing, and running tests in simulation. Cardano is developing a smart contract platform which seeks to deliver more advanced features than any protocol previously developed and will serve as a stable and secure platform for the development of enterprise-level decentralized applications. In the near future, Cardano will use a democratic governance system that allows the project to evolve over time and fund itself in a sustainable way through a visionary treasury system. You can read more about Cardano on the official Cardano website, which we were just at. They talk about another platform. If we go back to the Cardano top layer here, I believe it's under, I want to say it's under the purpose or research. This is probably the most important thing I've seen on here. They got a roadmap. Okay, let's go to. Okay, they're talking about use cases, education. Here we go. Use cases. Okay, this is an area where they're looking at how could you possibly use this blockchain. They got education here. The issuance of academic certificates is heavily centralized. If diplomas, degrees, or other credentials are damaged or lost, the reissue process is often costly, and the issuing institution might no longer exist. Sharing these credentials is also difficult, as academic achievements are traditionally issued in physical form, which makes it almost impossible to share when and where needed. Attila, I don't know how they're pronouncing this, Attila Prism, this is what I wanted to draw everybody's attention to, is an ID and credential solution built on the Cardano blockchain. Attila Prism secures academic certifications within an immutable and tamper-proof ecosystem, empowering students to own and share their achievements and institutions to instantly verify those credentials. Adela Prism simplifies this process by enabling individuals to instantly share verifiable credentials. So here is an example of using the blockchain to solve a problem. They have built this application on top of this blockchain called Adela Prism to basically host and store people's credentials and certifications and possibly their degrees, diplomas, and so forth. Okay? Retail, here we go again. 2018 counterfeit goods inflicted $300 billion worth of trouble to the global economy. And the problem is getting worse. If the trend is not reversed, markets will become flooded with fake products, leading to substantial financial loss, damage to brand reputation, and market reduction in customer confidence. Anti-counterfeiting initiatives often involve lengthy and costly processes with little discernible effect on the ongoing trade of counterfeit goods. Most fakes are sold online, which means that these rogue traders operate in relative impunity. Here we go again. They've got an Atlas scan, ATA, Atlas scan leverages blockchain technology to offer a solution to this problem. Tamper-proof system to establish product provenance and auditability to ensure every product sold is certified original. So here we go again. I keep calling it Atlas Scan. We've got Atlas Scan here. We've got Atlas Prism. And then we've got another version of it for government use and another version of Atlas Prism for finance, identity verification on the blockchain. So where I'm going with this, I guess I got another using Atlas Scan for healthcare. Where I'm going with this is that it seems to me that they're really trying to market this Atala project that's on top of this blockchain and become one and the same. It's a platform that's been built on top of the blockchain, pretty much as their flagship that they are boasting is going to solve these problems in different respective areas of education, health, retail, and government. Most of the website, it appears to be fluff, okay? Lofty goals, lofty talk of how innovative their solution is. And I don't want to take anything away from them. It is innovative, and they are in the top 10. So we're just going to have to watch this one and understand that they've hinged their success to this one particular project. I'm looking to see more developers come on board and news of more adoption of this blockchain with more solutions. Order for Cardano to stay in the top 10. Utility is going to have to be shown. It can't all come from the Cardano organization. It's going to have to come from other developers who are choosing to use this blockchain. So when you look at projects like Ethereum, when you look at projects like Chainlink, and when you look at projects like Polkadot, we're looking at how the community as a whole, developers as a whole, not just the ones that are associated with that project, are saying, hey, I can use this particular project to basically solve my problem. my blockchain problem. Where do I see Cardano in the space? Well, because they have the support, because they have the backing of the academic community, and because they have the venture capitalists that have basically been able to push Cardano's advertising, if you want to, for lack of a better word. I think Cardano will continue to remain in the top 10 for some time. But there's a lot of other projects that are going to be nipping at everything in the top 10. If you're not Bitcoin, Ethereum, Stellar, or XRP, should they survive this lawsuit, then you're going to have to be a blockchain that provides interoperability or some extremely useful technology that solves a big problem to stay in the top 10. Cardano needs more projects using their blockchain. I think they'll stay right where they are. My price prediction for Cardano, at best, I see them potentially going to about 40 cents before close of business this year as the bull run continues. If you've enjoyed this video, this price prediction, and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, please like, please share, and I'll catch you on the next one.